1/8 cup servings are there in a 3/4 cup container of applesauce? We have 3/4 of a cup. Each serving is 1/8 of a cup. Find a common denominator. 6/8 divided by 1/8 is 6/1 equals 6. Which set of values makes the inequality 5x is greater than 125 true? I can solve this. My variable is x and it's being multiplied by 5. The inverse operation is divide by 5. What you do to one side, you do to the other. I now have x is greater than 125 divided by 5. 5 goes into 12 2 times. That's 10. 2 left over, bring down your 5. 5 goes into 25 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. So x is greater than 25. So all the numbers that makes this true have to be greater than 25. So 23 is not greater than 25, 24 is not greater than 25, and 25 is not greater than 25. 24 is not greater than 25, 25 is not greater than 25, but 26 works. 25 is not greater than 25, 26 and 27 are. So 26 is greater than 25, 27 is greater than 25, 28 is greater than 25. The maximum capacity of a pet carrier is 12 kilograms. Kelly has 2 puppies in the carrier. One puppy weighs 8 kilograms. Which inequality correctly describes the conditions for the weight P of the other puppy? So there's 2 puppies. We know one of them is 8, plus the other puppy that we're not sure about. The maximum capacity is 12 kilograms. That means it can weigh 12, but no more than that. So both puppies put together have to be less than or equal to 12. So I can solve this inequality. My variable is P and I'm adding 8. The inverse is to subtract 8. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So now I have P is less than or equal to 12 minus 8 is 4. Mr. Draper drew a number line to represent how many minutes he expected his students to study. Which statement describes the number of minutes Mr. Draper expected his students to study? So I start writing my inequality with an X. My dot is colored in and it's going to the right. So I'm going to point to the right and it's colored in. And my dot is on 30. So that says x is greater than or equal to 30. So A, students should study at least 30 minutes. At least means greater than or equal to 30. So that could be it. Students should study less than 30 minutes. X is less than 30 is not what we're looking for. Students should study more than 30 minutes. X is greater than 30. Students should study a maximum of 30 minutes. So X is less than or equal to 30, because that's the most that they could spend. So A.